Most teams worry about prompt injection and hallucinations. Those are real, but one of the most dangerous Gen AI failures is quieter. You treat AI output as safe, and your app executes it. OWASP calls this LLM05, Improper Output Handling. In plain English, your application takes an LLM response and feeds it into a sensitive place, what security folks call a sink, without validation, sanitization, or guardrails. OWASP warns this can lead to classic security problems like XSS in the browser, SSRF on servers, privilege escalation, and even remote code execution, because you built a bridge from text to execution. The fastest fix starts with one step. Inventory your output sinks. Common ones are rendering AI output as HTML or Markdown, letting the model generate SQL running model-generated commands in a shell or code runner, fetching URLs the model provides, building file paths from model output, generating outbound emails or templates if your product does any of these. This is a security design problem, not a prompt tuning problem. Here's the safe output checklist you can apply today. Treat LLM output as untrusted input, especially if you use RAG, browsing, or untrusted documents. Use structured outputs for anything action like JSON schemas, typed tool calls, enums, constraints, and reject outputs that don't match. Escape and encode by context, HTML escape by default. Validate URLs with domain allow lists, and avoid injecting AI output into scripts. Never execute AI-generated SQL directly. Use parameterized queries, allow-listed templates, and least privileged DB accounts read-only when possible. For tools and agents, read-only by default, draft-only for external outputs, and human approval for write or irreversible actions. Add browser defense in depth like a strong content security policy, CSP. Finally, log and monitor which sync was used, whether validation passed, and watch for suspicious spikes while keeping logs privacy safe. Quick mini labs. 1. List every place AI output goes and label it, display, execute, query, or automate it. 2. Add one schema gate for a single tool action and reject anything off schema. 3. Test render safe mode, escape a default, minimal HTML, and confirm CSP is on. If you remember one rule, never let AI output go straight into execution, queries, or rich rendering without strict controls. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow and make more practical AI security guides.